Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel and you like the content in this video, please consider subscribing by clicking the bell and then select all so that you will be notified of future videos. I wanted to kickstart my 2020 video uploads by first sharing my 10 favorite glam DIYs from 2019, and the majority of these videos are Gallerie inspired. I will leave a link in the description box below to each video so that you can view them in their entirety. Thank you again for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy. I love these glitter clustered grapes. I had these grapes for well over 10 years and I have a bunch of them. I got some spray paint color of my choice, silver and white, and some silver glitter as well as gold glitter, clear sealant, and turned my grapes into a Gallerie inspired version, and I love the way they turned out. Again, I will have a link in the description box below with step-by-step directions of how I did this. I would imagine you can purchase these grapes from a place like Hobby Lobby or Michael's or any craft store. I got mine when I lived in Florida, and it's a store that's a comparison to Pottery Barn. To this DIY project is explaining why I am using these strips that created a circle. I absolutely loved this project because when I initially did these mirrors, I was going to make them to hang on the wall. But then an inspiration to create a bar cart I found on Pinterest. So I took the mirrors and the two tables together and combined them to create a bar cart. But first you will see a quick video of how I put this together. Here I'm disassembling the entire picture so that I can insert two Dollar Tree mirrors. Then I will reassemble the entire picture frame, including the backing that came on the picture. And then I'm going to trim the border with small beveled mirrors that I purchased from Collecting Warehouse. Again, I will have a link in the description box below with everything that I used to create this. But I loved how I ended up using these two pictures that I converted to mirrors to create a bar cart. Here is the inspiration picture on the right, and then of course my bar cart on the left. Here it is all put together, and here's the video showing how I put it together. And again, this was not planned. I initially bought those two picture frames from Goodwill to create a wall mirror. And when I saw that inspiration on Pinterest, because I wanted to make my own bar cart, I saw that I had two tables already, and then those two mirrors, and putting it together resembled my inspiration picture from Pinterest. And again, I would have to say this is my favorite of my 2019 DIYs. The curve in these slats, I guess, were formed when they were sitting in my garage. We disassembled an old bed that my daughter had, and I kept the slats with creating some kind of DIY project in mind. And when I saw those wall sconce pictures on Pinterest, or not Pinterest, but Wayfair, these came to mind, and I made my daughter some. So I came back home from being in Florida. When I came back to Atlanta, I thought, okay, this would be a nice DIY project. And of course, I used those mirrors that I love so much, the small beveled edge mirrors, to trim them out. And I made these so they can match the large DIY mirror that you will see after this. So it could look like a set. But again, the curve in the slats, I think it was created by the moisture in my garage. And these slats, I actually saw them at IKEA in a bundle for like $25, I think for 50. This is the large mirror that I created to match the sconces, or actually the sconces were made to match this mirror. The large mirror in the middle, I purchased that from Goodwill some time ago. And then of course, I'm telling you here, the other mirrors. There are mirrors around the border, the larger ones. Those are Walmart mirrors. And then I laid Dollar Tree mirrors on top of that. And then little mirrors from Collecting Warehouse I put on there too, to give it some dimension, and I like the way it turned out. I'm still trying to figure out how to hang it because it is very heavy. But once I get the solution, I will do a video. Of how you can lay out the candles on this. Let me know in the description box which is your favorite. My favorite is without the napkin rings. I like them both, but I guess my favorite is without the napkin rings because it looks closer to the Gallerie inspired version. Be My Guest with Denise Cooper, and I will have that link of where I got this idea in the description box below, along with my video of how I made this. But the top is what really attracted me to make this, and I love the way it turned out. I love using these small beveled edge mirrors. There are DIY projects that I haven't even uploaded, which I will probably do this year, showing how I've used these on other DIYs. Now this video got over 1,000 views and it's still climbing. My favorite part of the video, and my daughter did this recording while I was creating the DIY, and my favorite part of the video is the ending. At last. If you enjoyed watching all of my 10 favorite DIY glam clips, remember I will leave a link in the description box below for each video. And remember to subscribe, click the bell so that you'll be notified of all videos that I upload in the future. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive year, everyone. Bye-bye.